Okay, so after opening Live Home 3D, you select a canvas of 1.50 here, and on the top left corner you will see three lines which are some options of adding new files and import, export, and a lot of other stuff. The second option is going to be the library, and here for the iPad users this option is going to be over here. So but now we are on the Windows, so this option is going to be over here. So we'll have three other options. The first one is going to be the object library, where you can see your doors, fans, garage doors, opening, outdoor, shapes, stairs, and all of the appliances and stuff. That's great. The second option is going to be the material library. Here we have a lot of paints like fabric, glass, all of the paints, wallpapers, leather, polished floors, polished tiles, glass, and everything related to designing. So the third option is going to be the project tree, where you can select all of your placed objects on the canvas. Right now we don't have anything placed on our canvas, so you can't see anything over here right now. So here, now this option is to unfree the mouse. So now if we click over here, we have some more options of room. Let's just create a sample room over here. So yeah, we have some more options here of room, straight wall, arc wall, floor rack, ceiling opening rack, floor, ceiling poly, and all of that other stuff. These 6 options are not going to be available for the free users. So if you can't see them, just that you're using the free version. Here we have the dimensions, annexation, user camera, and mover track. Here we can view this in the different directions. If you want to see this, here it is. We can zoom in or out. You can even zoom in or out from here, and also from here. This option is the properties option, which is signed as an I. Here you can adjust its size and just do anything. Just edit your builds, like if you want to set the height, width, and all of that stuff, so you can do that from here. Now here we have the 2D panel, from which where we are. Now here we have the 2D elevation view, and the third one is going to be the 3D version of our builds. So from here you can view all your builds in 3D mod, which automatically generates after you build that in the 2D mod. So yeah, this was a short video of the options for the Windows users. I made this video to because most of our videos on this channel are going to be available on iPad, so that the Windows users don't get confused. So yeah, this video was important for them. So yeah, I guess this is going to be it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.